Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website, but if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, tap on Clear Data, tap on Clear, and as you can see, we've got no history here, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on the saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to remove the browsing data in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.